welcome to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually should be saying welcome back to myself because I haven't filmed a video since I believe October of 2017, and I wasn't sure if I was going to come back and film any more videos, but it's always on my mind. And actually I have filmed videos in the last year, but I just never uploaded them into onto YouTube. I did like a closet declutter and reorganization, but I tried a few BOXYCHARM boxes, a few other things I tried to do, and when I filmed them I just didn't like it, so I deleted it. I do have a full-time job, so that makes it difficult for me to plan ahead, and I just need to get organized and figure things out, but I just struggle with that all the time. You know, I'm not very good apparently at filming the videos, editing, and uploading. I don't do everything in one day, and that's probably what I should try doing, because I think that the more I think about it and the more I sit on it, I end up saying to myself, oh, screw it, it's too late, I've waited too long, I'm not gonna upload. But anyway, I plan to be back. I have so many new videos that I want to do. I want to do a ton of DIYs because I am moving soon, so I have so many things that I want to do for my new home, so I hope you guys stay tuned for that. I know that I've gained a lot of subscribers over the year, and I think it's because of my DIYs, really, because I think those are the ones that got viewed the most. So I do want to jump back into that because I love doing DIYs and decorating and things like that, but I still do love makeup, so I will do maybe I don't know, BOXYCHARM unboxings. If there's something that you guys want to see, please let me know and I'll try to get it done. But I just need ideas because I really don't know what people like watching anymore. I personally watch more home decor. Oh my god, one that I'm obsessed with is the Amazon favorites, because I shop on Amazon. I am a Prime member. I think a lot of people these days are. So if you want to see something on like my Amazon favorites or my Amazon what I've bought in the past that I really enjoy. I hope you guys don't hear my dog, but yeah, that's one type of video that I like watching a lot. I mean, I watch a lot of different videos. I don't watch as many makeup tutorials anymore. I never really did, to be honest, but I do watch a few YouTubers, old school YouTubers that I like watching for like maybe reviews or favorites. I still love watching favorites because that's kind of like how I find new products that I want to try, new makeup, things like that. But yeah, I've been talking for a really long time, and I also want to incorporate in this video for today the BOXYCHARM for this month, for the month of February, because I don't want to do a separate video, and I didn't just want to come on here and do a BOXYCHARM unboxing when I haven't filmed the video in so long. So I hope you guys stick around. For those of you who subscribed to my channel while I was gone, thank you so much, and I hope you stick around. Also, I did change my YouTube name. It used to be Beauty Paint Box. I changed my name to Sasha Liz, so that way it's more lifestyle than focus on like one thing. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started with the BOXYCHARM unboxing. So this is the box that I got this month, and it's just the regular size. Now they have the BOXYLUXE, which I'm also subscribed to. I did take a peek at it, and right away, before I even went through everything, there was powder everywhere, so I know something in here broke. And if you don't know, the BOXYCHARM is a subscription box that you get every month. You pay about $21 plus tax, something like that. You get 5 items every month, and they are typically either deluxe or full size. Most of the time, most of them are usually full size. So my box is variation number 2. This month's theme is Afterglow. We got the Better Than Sex, a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and it is a full size. I've used this mascara before, so I do like it, and this is retail at $24. Mine is a little beat up, and I'm a little concerned that this comes like it doesn't come in its original packaging. I don't know if they do that on purpose so that you don't resell it, or if they're just giving us bad product. Sometimes I wonder that, but I don't know. If anybody knows, please comment down below. But this one has a lot of like marks, and I'll try to capture a close-up of it. It just has a lot of marks on it. It just seems like it fell and it got stepped on a few times. I don't know. I'm gonna put it to the side for now. Then the next thing I got is, this is, what is this? Nude Sticks, and I got the color in Copper Foil, and it's just a pencil. I think it's an eyeshadow pencil. This is what it looks like, and let's see. This is retail at $24 as well, and I don't know how much you get in this. It's 2.8 grams. I did put on my makeup already, and I totally forgot we were getting a primer. So that this is the Noir Pore Blem Primer. It's a smooth and pore covering top secret perfect makeup, and you get 1 fluid ounce, and this is from the brand Touch and Soul. I think they have this at Sephora. That's what the box looks, or the packaging looks like. And this retails for $18. I'm excited to try this, and I can't believe I totally forgot, but I want to smell this. It does have a pump, and it's a glass bottle, so it might be, you know, issue for some people travel with. It smells really good, and it feels, it's almost dry, powdery feeling, like it's not, interesting. It's lotiony, kind of like a moisturizing, you would think, but when you put it on, it feels really smooth. Well, I do see that it does fill in your pores a little bit, because this side looks more smooth than my left hand looks smoother than my right. I put it on this hand, and let's see if I can capture, if you can tell a difference. Hopefully my camera is focusing. So I won't be able to try that, but it's smooth. It feels really smooth and nice, so I think I would like it. It does smell. It smells really good. It's not a really strong smell though, so I think it'll be fine. And then the next item is Sol de Janeiro. I mean, that's Spanish, so I know it's Sol de Janeiro or Sol de Janeiro. And this is a Coco Cabana Cream Moisture Magnet Oil in Water Body Cream. What? Moisture Magnet Oil in Water Body Cream. And I guess Coco Cabana is the scent, I think. And this is, yeah, Coco Cabana Cream. I think it's the scent. And this retails for $20. And this is 2.5 fluid ounces. I know we got this brand before. It was a yellow one, but it was a much smaller one. So this, I don't know if this is the full size, but it might be like the deluxe size. This is Tillis. I don't think it says if it's full size, but I think this is like deluxe. And I think last time was that travel? I don't know, because I don't think we're supposed to get travel. I think we're only supposed to get deluxe and full size. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's smell this. And this is a body cream, by the way, if I didn't already say that. It smells. I'm trying to figure out what it smells like. Feels really good though. It's, ugh, this is so good. I'm trying to figure out what it smells. It doesn't smell like coconut to me. It feels really nice. I don't mind the smell. It doesn't smell bad. I just can't pinpoint what it smells like. I don't know. It's not coconut, I'll tell you that. I know some people say it's popcorn, but I can't, I'm not getting the popcorn. I'm not really sure what it smells like to me, but it almost smells like, I don't know, I smell like after you rub it in, like a hint of like plasticky almost, but I'm not getting coconut or popcorn. But I would use it because it feels amazing. It feels really good, and I don't think it smells bad particularly, but some people may not like it. I don't mind it. Did I say how much that was retail for? That one's $20. And then the last item, I believe, yep, I got is the Definitely Broken. It's the Pretty Vulgar highlighter in the Shimmering Swan. The packaging is really pretty. This retails for $32, and mine is broken, but I'm sure I can still use it. I'm afraid to open it. Oh yeah, it's bad. Oh yeah, this is completely shattered. Like, I'm afraid to even tilt it in any kind of way. It's like falling all over the place. I'm gonna close that up because it's completely shattered, but I'm gonna swatch it. That's what that looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and try a couple. I'm going to try the mascara, even though I have mascara on. Or not try it, but because I've already used it before. But I'm going to put it on. I'm going to do the, I guess I can try on the highlighter. And I can try this magnetic luminous eye color. So let's go ahead and open that. And this is also like a bronzy. Oh, it's a copper. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys. And that's what that looks like. This stuff dries pretty quickly. This one, by the time I put this on the lid, the one on my wrist is already dry. So you probably have to work pretty quickly with this. And I'm just kind of layering it so I can intensify that color a little more. I thought I was going to need this, but I don't think I do. Just using a MAC 286S to just kind of diffuse that line a little bit. And I like that I can just use this if I want. I don't even need, because when you diffuse it, you get like a different effect in the crease versus the not blended lid. So this could be like a one color and done type of thing if you wanted to. So I actually like it just like that, but I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of Dream Street in the crease. I'm going to use this color right here, which is Twinkle. And I actually don't even need it, but I just want to see how it looks. So I actually really like that pencil. It dries really fast, like that. It's like not going anywhere, and I'm rubbing really hard. I mean, a little bit came off, but considering how hard I'm rubbing, it's not budging. And it was you have to move quick, but it was easy to blend. So now I'm going to try a little bit of this mascara. Like I said, I've already used it before and I like it. You got that, you know, wand. I'm not one that tends to spend a lot of money on mascara. If I get it in a box, perfect, I'll use it, but I will probably not pay $24 for a mascara. I know Maybelline, I believe, has a mascara that it's a dupe to this. I have yet to try that one, but I saw reviews and apparently it's pretty similar. I already have mascara on it on my lashes, so I don't think I'm gonna get the actual effect that this has, but it's a really good mascara. I like it. I just not one of those people that would spend $24 on a mascara. I have not found one yet that I feel like it's super worth it. And I do have short lashes, you know, and it really depends on the person. I know some people don't like this mascara. I like it when I wear it. I find that I can wear it on its own, and usually I have to layer my mascara just because, like I said, I have really short lashes and I really don't have a lot. Layering mascaras usually do the trick for me. I mean, this did a little something, but like I said, I already had mascara. So I'm glad I got the mascara in the box because I only paid, what, $21, I believe, or something to that effect, plus tax. And I got all these other products that I get to try. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try the highlighter. Hopefully I don't make a mess. I'm gonna see how I can do this. I think the highlight might be a little too dark though. I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus because I like to spray Fix Plus on before I put on my highlight. And I'm just gonna use this brush because it's the one that's near me and I don't feel like getting one. It is the one from Los Ojitos, from, I think, from Alamar. This also came in the box, I don't know, a couple months ago. And this is gonna be tricky because I'm gonna end up with a lot because, I mean, it's all shattered. I hope I grab it up. Oh, actually, it's not too dark. A little Well, I probably put a little too much because, like I said, since it's shattered. I feel like I have a freaking streak now. Let's see if I can diffuse this a little bit. I don't know. Well, I mean, it looks like it's a nice highlight, but I think it probably would work best if you don't have a shattered one. That way you don't get too much on. I'm just going to use my finger. You know, I think I'm going to contact them because I would like to use this highlight, but I feel like it's going to be too much of a hassle to try to dip in that shattered one. So hopefully they'll be able to send me a replacement. Alright guys, thank you so much. This is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said, I am going to be doing more videos in the future, so please subscribe if you haven't already, and please turn on your notifications so that you can be notified when I do upload a video. And please also comment down below and let me know what videos you would like to see so that I know and have an idea of what I should be filming. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!